everyone. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to install the Solver add-in to Microsoft Excel. So first step is to start up Excel. Just open a blank worksheet. Now the Solver add-in lives under this Data tab, and as you can see over here there's lots of choices, but there's nothing at the end here called Solver. So from the File menu, go to Options at the bottom, then Add-ins, and at the bottom here where we're managing Excel add-ins, now there's other things that we can do, but it's the Excel add-ins, so we press the Go button. I'm going to tick Solver, and I'll also tick Analysis Toolpack. That can be handy sometimes, and I'll press OK. It takes a moment to think about it. Now notice on the end of the Data tab I have these two additional options here, Solver and Data Analysis. So you'll need Solver for this project that we're about to do, and now that we've done that once, never have to bother about that again. It'll always be there every time we start Excel. Thanks for watching.